YouTube, and welcome back. Probably here to watch the tow truck, so let's get into it.
How's it going, guys? So you joined me on a windy Thursday morning, and today we're polishing the truck so it's nice and shiny. Behind me, already got this door all done, so I have somewhat of an inkling of what I'm doing. Already washed it, and sadly that footage was lost, so you guys don't get to see that, as well as the oil change, but it wasn't really that interesting, so let's get to work on this. Alright, so what you do is once you've got your either new, or in this case freshly washed buff pad, I'm using the middle range because really fine stuff won't take off all this faded paint, and I don't need the rough stuff because the paint isn't that bad. I mean, this is why I got just using the mid-range pad. Anyway, once you've got your clean pad, I'm using Meguiar's Scratch 2.0, and I've discovered that 4 little lines all the way around. Normally gets the job done. Then what you do, so you're not flinging the polish everywhere, is I like to put the pad up against the body and smear it all around. Then I've been using lowest setting with good results, so lowest setting. And I use the edge and it works pretty well. And then a good wipe down with a clean microfiber towel. And look at that, it's already looking like a mirror compared to like here and back here. I think I might hit it one more time though to get that extra shine. But then, yeah, just repeat the same process for the rest of the truck, or or in your case, whatever vehicle you're working on, and you'll bring the paint back to new, or as close to it. So I'll get to buffing this down and you guys can watch me. Real quick, after 2 times, I like to take the buff pad off and dunk it in the bucket of water. And get it all nice and clean again. Because you don't want to be grinding bad paint residue into the fresh paint. This is the most fun part. wringing it out. Got quite a bit of splatter on the door, so I'm gonna have to wipe that off. So, gotta do that. Remember to dump out your lemonade so then you're not getting all that contaminated water back on the paint somewhere. Hey guys, real quick, since that upper half of the cab is all done now and all this edge, I can now put the mirror on for the last time since the door's done. So let's get to that. Use some of the custom ground down bolts that we did at Steve's place. There, that's 2 bolts in. Now for the rest of them. down without breaking them. And now for the top ones. So now that this side of the cab is done, time to take the door panel off so I can get to the bottom holes to hang the mirror, and also to spray some PV Blast in this door lock so it'll be nice and snappy and loose like the driver's side one. So let's get to that. Right off. Yep. Uh-oh. There we go. Look at this. That's how you tell it's an original door, because it's in the blue the truck was. Oh, that's hot. That's really hot. Oh, working on vehicles in the summer sun. Not fun. Alright everyone, so after several weeks, but for you guys it'll be just like a few minutes, The tow truck is finally polished, all nice and shiny, and looking 100 times better than it did. So if you enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And if you like the tow truck, check out more videos on it on our playlist. So with that being said, see ya.